Across industries, the way we manage fleets and assets is evolving, and Pedigree Technologies is redefining what's possible in fleet and asset management technology. We're not an out-of-the-box solution. Pedigree Technologies is built to meet your unique needs and challenges, no matter the industry. With our OneView platform, your entire operation comes together in a single connected hub, built around how you work. Our mission is simple: to help you work smarter, safer, and more efficiently. Technology should empower people, not slow them down. Behind our technology is a team of experts who know your world, from implementation and training, to customer success and technical support. We're not just another software vendor. We're partners who understand your challenges and stand by you every step of the way. We connect assets, drivers, and vehicles in one system, giving you the power to track valuable equipment, improve safety and compliance, and maximize uptime with actionable data. With real-time tracking, predictive maintenance, and actionable insights, our solutions help you reduce downtime, increase safety, and maximize ROI. Pedigree Technologies, redefining what's possible in fleet and asset management, crafted for your unique needs.